Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere between those toggles you will find the screen recording toggle, or however it is named right here. Screen recorder. So once you locate this toggle, you can tap on it and start recording virtually right away, or you can most likely hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can change some of them if they don't fit your needs. Now it looks like Motorola does set it in a fairly decent way. It's maxed out here in a way, so we only have resolution, which is either 720 or 1080p. Luckily it's set to 1080p, but that's about it. No frame rates and no bit rates and stuff like that. It's a little bit of a downside in this case, but still, hopefully 1080p looks good enough, and if it's recording at 60 frames, that would be even better, though it's doubtful. Now obviously if you have some other settings that you want to change here, do so right now, and once you have, go back to the toggle once again, tap on it, select start. Starts the countdown, as you can see, and then vibration will indicate that the device is right now recording. So we can open up apps from here, whatever you want to record. And once you're done, click on the square. But before I do so, I'm going to quickly go over the toggles right here. So we have a pause option. So this will suspend the screen recording. If you want, for instance, you could open up some kind of app, log into it, and then start recording again. This will basically remove any kind of indication that you are logging into the app and show any kind of info because of that. I believe if you were typing in a password while recording, I think it somehow blocks it, though it's something that you might want to check maybe, just to be sure. Now we do have something like a pen, so you can start drawing on your screen. You can do that also while recording, obviously. You can enable microphones, so the phone will record your voice as well. And you can add your selfie camera, so you can see it right here. And obviously once you're done recording, you just click on the square. This will save your screen recording to your Photos application. And you can navigate into library. As you can see, there is our folder with screen recordings, and in here obviously you will find screen recordings. Once you tap on it, it should start playing it. Yep, there we go. So there we go, that's the screen recording, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.